Hi everyone, just before we start the video, I just want to make sure that you stick around towards the end of the video, as I'm going to be announcing the winner of my limited edition Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette giveaway. So make sure you stick around towards the end of the video to see if you won. Hi, it's Courtney and today's video is a bit different. I thought that I would try and recreate an old makeup look of mine that I did 5 years ago when I first started experimenting with makeup. The palettes I'm going to be using today are the Beauty Bay Bright palette and Evolve palette. Firstly, apply a full coverage concealer to your lid as an eyeshadow base. Also take the time to carve out the underneath side of your brow to remove any excess brow products. Blend the concealer across your entire lid to create a full coverage eyeshadow base. Firstly, you're going to need to take the shade Drama Queen from the Brights palette and pack this into the outer corner of your lid, slightly blending it up towards the crease. With the pigment that is left on your brush, begin to drag the shadows out from the outer corner to create a V shape. Tutti Frutti from the Brights palette is going to be our transition shade. Take this shade and blend it over the edge of Drama Queen and bring it into the inner half of the crease. To blend the shade Tutti Frutti up into the brow bone, take the shade Transition 3 from the Evolve palette and apply this overlapping all areas where you placed Tutti Frutti. You will need to reapply the pigment that was lost due to the blending process, so go back into Tutti Frutti and apply it directly throughout the crease and out towards the outer V. To deepen the outer corner further, take the shade Drama Queen on a large fluffy brush and reapply it into the areas that you previously have, using circular motions to help blend it into Tutti Frutti. Once again, you need to take Tutti Frutti and place this into the outer V to enhance the shape and blend towards the temple area. For the inner half of the lid, take a cream highlighter. I am using Galaxy Glow by Beauty Bay, and apply a small amount to the back of your hand to warm the product. Using your finger, apply a generous amount to the inner half of your lid. To add some shimmer and texture to the outer half of the lid, take the shade Pop 6 from the Evolve palette and apply this with your finger, slightly overlapping the cream highlighter. For the lower lid, place Drama Queen on the outer corner of the eye directly below the lash line and take it back to meet the outer V. Blend Drama Queen out further into the outer V using the shade Tutti Frutti. With the remainder of the product on the brush, also bring Tutti Frutti into the inner half of the lower lid. Take Transition 3 and diffuse the edges of the entire look for a seamless blend. Go back in with Tutti Frutti and add further pigmentation to the lower lash line, blending it into the outer corner and outer V. To mirror the top lid, take your cream highlighter on your finger and apply this directly onto the inner half of your lower lid, directly below the lash line. Then take Pop 6 and apply this into the outer half of your lower lid, directly below the lash line, slightly overlapping the inner half. For the eyeliner, take your favourite eyeliner with a fine brush tip and draw a line downwards following your upper lash line. From that downwards line, then draw a line upwards and outwards following your lower lash line that stops at the end of your brow. From the end of that line, bring the liner back inwards towards your inner corner and join it to your lash line. Fill in the liner shape you created, then curl your lashes with a lash curler. Apply a generous coat of mascara to your top and bottom lashes. Next, using your favourite pink tone pigment, I'm using Sherbet by Beauty and the NYX Glitter Glue, apply a thin line of pigment directly below the liner to highlight the shape of the liner. The lashes I'm going to be using are the Beauty Liza lashes, however you can use any long wispy lashes that fan out at the edge. To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm using Pink Shimmer by MUA Cosmetics, but you can use any pink tone highlighter you have available. To complete the look, use a nude pink tone lip liner and line your lips to the desired shape, and then apply your favourite pink shimmery lip gloss. So just to recap, here is my 2016 original makeup look, and here is my 2021 recreation. I really hope that you enjoyed this different type of content, and if you did, let me know by liking the video. So the giveaway ended around 15 minutes ago, and the company that I use, which is Glam, randomly picked the winner, and the winner is @Zoe21 on Twitter. I have contacted Zoe, so if she replies to me within 24 hours, I will send out her prize. If Zoe doesn't contact me within 24 hours, I'll pick another winner. Don't be discouraged if you didn't win this time round, as I will be doing more giveaways, so please do continue to support me, and I'll see you in the next video. If you thought that I did a good job at recreating my old makeup look from 2016, let me know by commenting down below. Keep an eye out in my future videos, as I'm going to be doing some Easter content, so to never miss any uploads, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!